was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of
Y'all see him? Y'all see him? No, come here, come here, come here. Kill it. Come here, Cody. Boy, man. What my wife think about getting another dog? Come here, come here, come here. God damn it. Cody. Can I tell you to come here? Stay up there. Told boy, that little one, man, that nigga there. That one right there, man, sit. 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 Look how he doing. Look how he doing. Sit. That mother, that hard head. Look, the old OG standing. Look at that. Now he go over there and sit. He take his time. He take his time. OG know what to do. That's the YN right there, man. Yeah, off the chain right there. He walking around. He got his little switchblade and his pistol. You know what I'm saying? Got his little 22 in his pocket. That nigga there walking around with Pooh Shiesty mask and switches and stuff right there, man. Damn. What up, E-Class? Need me to pull it down some or it's cool right there? Let me pull it down to you? Okay, okay. Yeah, man. What the hell he at? Stay over here, man. Man. Huh? Oh, you know, he ain't number like 7 months old. Yeah. Stay. Yeah, he 5 and be 6. Uh-huh. If my wife wanted another one, man, we say it every day. We don't know what the hell we were thinking about. That nigga, they're off the chain, man. I think I picked them up in October. It was September. I picked them up in September. Yeah. They come from the same breeder, but it's 2 different litters though. He ain't never been hard-headed like that nigga. That nigga hard-headed, man. Real young nigga, man. Yep. Yeah, man, y'all see it before E-Clad put that touch on it, man. Y'all see it before he put that touch on. I gotta check all these brake pads and stuff. Make sure we got some good brakes. Everything feel good though, but I'm check all that, man. Do a oil change, tune up and stuff on it. So y'all see it. He gonna get it right. Interior and stuff. Get the interior and stuff right. See it dirty. He's gonna get me right. I think she on her way home now, so she'll see him cleaning it up. So, man, boy, y'all ain't gonna play? Y'all ain't gonna do no zoomies? Y'all ain't gonna do no zoomies? Go, Gizmo, go. Look how he look. No, he know what that man. Look. His brother trying to get him to play. He trying to get him to play. I want y'all to see how they be playing. Here you go. Look. Look, young nigga gonna turn him over. Get him, Cody. Get him. Get Gizmo. Get him. Chill out, man. Chill out. I'm gonna take y'all. Come on. Take y'all back in the house. We'll be back, y'all. He ain't even done yet, man. Just getting started. He cleaned the inside already. Now he's doing the outside. Oh, I'm finna ride this junk today. She finna go with her girls. Oh, I'm finna be out in the silver Foxx today, man. Yes, sir. We'll be back. He gonna hit it with that foam in a minute. He gonna hit it with that foam in a minute, man. Yeah. E-Class, man. Y'all see it, man. Boy, E-Class done got me right. Well, he got Boss Lady right. But I told her, because she finna go with her friend. She ain't even drove the car nothing, but it's cleaned up. She finna go with her friend. I told her, I'm finna drive this junk tonight. I'm finna go put me some clothes on, man. We finna ride. E-Class got it right, though, man. Call it the Silver Foxx, man. Silver Foxx, man. Check out the inside. Y'all knew how the inside, how dirty it was. Y'all remember how dirty it was? Check it out. And it's smelling good in that junk, bud. Check them out, man. Check them out. If y'all need them, holler at them, man. And this will be one of the detailers on site, man. You know, I got 2 detailers. E-Class and CJ will be on the property May 31st, man. They will be on the property. Yes, sir. Man, that little junk clean, man. Man, that junk clean. Yeah, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Dual pipes down there. Sport. Yes, sir. Boss lady in there, man. Waiting on the tag. Already ordered the Honda tag for the front. The Honda trim, license plate trim to go around the tag at the back. Ordered the Honda jump for that. And now I don't know why I didn't do it. Why he had all this out. I gotta put her some LEDs in the headlight part. But this already LED. This and the I'm gonna crank it up. The fog lights. That's all LED. I gotta change the headlight out. I don't know why I ain't get it done while Joe had it. Yeah, man. Y'all know we gotta get them brown things up out of there. We gotta get them brown things up out of there, man. Yep, we're gonna put some LEDs in there. Should be cool on that. Yep. Y'all see it, man. Keep it locked. We'll be back. All right. Oh, stay. E-Class, man. 901-498-0698. Make sure y'all get at them. Y'all detail, man, riding that clean, man. With the Vogues on that thing, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. My John nice ain't a girl.
My car so nice.
My John nice ain't a girl.
So nice, baby.
You like it?
I love your car.
Thank you.
Can I drive it sometime?
You can drive it sometime. You can drive it sometime.
You so funny. You gotta show me how to set my radio.
I set the first 2 stations.
Yes, I got mine in order.
Yeah.
I want to know in my truck. So.
I said, hold on. You still on the phone?
Yeah, I'm on the phone with Sharonda.
Oh, okay. I'll show you later.
Okay.
But I said the first 1 and 2.
Okay.
Ain't nothing like seeing your lady pull up clean, man. That's a flex too, man. Seeing your lady pull up clean, you gotta make sure your lady ride clean too now. You know, there's one, there's hers right there too. You gotta make sure your lady riding clean, man. Yes, sir. I can pull up in a bucket, man, but my lady gonna be in something nice. My lady gonna be in something nice, man. Prepared. Come and sit in. Leave them stay. Have a seat.
Is she in there?
She in there. She on the phone, Sharonda.
She in the passenger or driver?
Driver. She in the driver. Said she ain't got no roaches. Yeah, man. What it do, man? 78 Chevy Board presents the 4th annual Connect and Never Compete Car and Bike Show going down May 31st at the Lander Center in Southaven, Mississippi from 12 to 8. Roll in judging from 12 to 4:30. Giveaways and trophy ceremony at 6 o'clock, man. You do not want to miss it. Big giveaways. Come on out, enjoy the vibes, and have fun. Stay tuned for more details. May 31st. Mark your calendars.
Hey. My seven, I'm keeping it my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in